Hey, Chris Mack here. Welcome back to 3-Minute Business Tip. As always, these tips come from real conversations from real entrepreneurs. HST, what is HST? How do I charge HST? Do I pay HST? What do I do? New small businesses are dealing with things like contractors. They're dealing with suppliers. They're invoicing, they're paying invoices. It gets a little bit confusing. So one thing I like to get out there right away, if you are a new small business owner and you are making more than $30,000 annually, you need to apply for a HST number. What that means is that the government, CRA, is now expecting you to collect taxes on their behalf. So when you give an invoice, you maybe used to just put $100 and take $100. Well, now the CRA is saying, Canada Revenue Agency is saying, yep, but don't forget about us. So your $100 now becomes $113. When you send that invoice and that customer is paying the $113, what does that mean? Well, that means $100 is yours. That's revenue, not profit, revenue. And the $13, what do you do with that? Is that just a bonus? Is that a tip for you? No. It is expected that you take that $13 from that $100 plus tax invoice that you sent. You take the $13 and you put it in what I like to call your little CRA tax bucket. This little CRA tax bucket is a good analogy, but it also can become very real by opening another savings account called HST or sales tax. So I know other provinces have GST. There's other ways that they collect taxes. In Ontario, we have HST, but let's just call it sales tax. A little bank account, maybe a little e-savings account so you have no monthly fees, RBC, and you just put your $13 every time in that account, your 13% every time in that account. It's your CRA bucket. You are collecting on the government's behalf, and then one day they're going to knock on your door, probably 3 months, some businesses annually, and they're going to say, hey, so how much have you collected for us? We'd like our money now. And then the other question that comes up is like, don't we have like things called write-offs or something? Sales tax deductions is what you're thinking of. And that's like, yes, you do. You have something called sales tax deductions. And we can talk about that in my next business tip.